Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you a few quick recipes that you can do in any 10-minute time slot. I do it before I go to work, I do it while I'm cooking my boys dinner. So there's any time you can meal prep these few recipes to help you get ahead for the rest of the week. So if you want to watch how I get ready for the week so that I can stay on keto, then please keep on watching. So today is very early. I've just woken up. I am going to do just a couple of things this morning. Well, one thing this morning, just to get some keto meals ready. I eat keto. My husband and my two boys do not. So I like to have a few things ready just in the fridge or freezer. That all I have to do is throw it in the microwave and heat it up. So I'm just going to show you what I'm doing this morning just to try and get some meals ready for me so that I'm good for the rest of the week. Okay, so what I've got here in my slow cooker is I've just got 1 kilo of chicken drumsticks, and I've just poured over some buffalo wing sauce. I've never actually tried buffalo sauce or buffalo wing sauce. But I saw this in the shops, and it had really good macros. So if I can get it. So there's the macros. So it only had 0.5 grams of carbs and 0.1 of sugar. This is the buffalo wing sauce that I'm trying. So yeah, I thought if I just throw some of this sauce over the drumsticks, it might taste good, and maybe if I just have it with a salad. So yeah, so that is what I'm trying in the slow cooker while I go to work. So I'll let you know how that tastes tonight when I try it. I'm thinking that I've also got a couple of other things that I want to try. So I'll just go to my cupboard again. Sorry about the lighting, it is a bit dark in my kitchen in different places. I might go this way. Here we go. So here's my cupboard. Last night I bought a few things just to see if I can meal prep them. So I've got this green curry paste. I'm going to do a bit of a curry. What else did I buy? I've also got this butter chicken that I got from Oz Organics. That I'm going to put with some chicken. I was actually thinking maybe I could slow cook that and see how it goes. Because I have braces, I still don't like to chew much. So yes, I got that. I've also got some taco mix here that I need to make up some taco mince. So I've just got taco salad in the freezer. So all I have to do is just throw it with some lettuce and cheese and sour cream and all the goodies. What else have I got in here? I do have some salsa. I got some salsa. Maybe I could do like a salsa chicken in the slow cooker. So there's a few ideas that I've got. So yeah, I'll see how I go with doing some meal prep during the day. It is a Wednesday, so I work out of the home, so I'm not really going to get much done during the day. But I've put the slow cooker on for today, and tonight I'm probably going to cook something because the boys won't be using the stove. So that's where I'm at with doing my meal prep, because I'm kind of running dry of meals in the freezer. So yeah, thought I'd let you know how I meal prep or think about what I'm going to have for dinner. Okay guys, so it's the next morning. Yesterday morning I put a half bottle of buffalo wing sauce in with the chicken drumsticks. When I came home that night, I really didn't feel like chicken, but here's the chicken. I've just kind of shredded it off the drumsticks, and I'm just going to put it in the fridge so that I can add it to salads or something like that. What I'm going to do now with the other half of the buffalo sauce is I bought these Australian pork spare ribs. So what I'm going to do is put that into my slow cooker. So this is my slow cooker. It's looking a bit worse for wear. But yeah, I'm just going to dump those in. There's just 3 in there, so it's just a few of them. And I'm going to add, I'm not sure how big my slow cooker is, it's quite a big one. But yeah, I'm just going to add the whole lot. It's not like I'm going to use it for anything else. I'm just going to add the buffalo wing sauce over top of that. And then I'm just going to put that on low for all day. So it is 7:11 at the moment. Just going to set my slow cook for 8 hours. And I'm just going to set that all day. I'm going to put a lid on it too. And see how those turn out. The sauce, I've never had buffalo sauce before. It was quite spicy. I guess it's the cayenne pepper. But yeah, not too bad. So we'll see how that goes. And I'll let you know. Okay, so I've just made my lunch with the shredded chicken. So I've just got the shredded chicken, I've got some lettuce, some shredded cheese, half a little tomato there, and I've got some red onion in there. And then I've also got a little, I know, like about a tablespoon of this aioli to go with the salad. So that's my lunch. I like this little Tupperware thing because you can just stick the lid on and the little top bit goes in there. It did actually come with knife and fork, but I have no idea what that is. But yeah, so that's my lunch for today, and hopefully it tastes good. Okay guys, so I'm just starting to try and get my shopping list ready for the week. I've done my meal plan somewhat here. So we're actually going to watch the Cowboys game tonight. We've got my son's birthday party, and we're going to Brothers for that. And then we have our usual Taco Tuesday, Wednesday hot dogs, and then I've got this pork mince that I didn't use this week, so I need to use that as soon as possible. So I've got that up there. So really I just need a couple of meals, and then Thursday, Friday. So what I've got here is, so I'm still doing my my magazine page series, so my test kitchen series. And I've just gone through and picked out a few more recipes to try. So I've got this muffin recipe, so that one's probably going to be more for something like lunches or snacks. Also got a choc chip recipe, so I thought I might try that. This one here is a halloumi crumbed chicken. I thought that'd be good for myself as well. So it does say rice flour, but I thought I might try and use almond flour so that I can actually eat this and it'll be fine for the boys as well. Although it does say rice flakes. I might just adjust the recipe a bit just so I can eat it. And if you don't know, I'm on keto, so just trying to find some options that are good for keto as well. I saw this chorizo and leek frittata. Looks good. It looks like it should be right for keto as well. So there's another option that is good for me as well as the boys. Also this Greek style meatball salad, so good for me and the boys. So yeah, I don't think there was much. It does say breadcrumbs, but I thought if I got pork crackling, it should be fine. So I'm going to try those recipes for this week. So I'm going to do up my my grocery list, and then I'll do the order tonight so that I can pick it up after work tomorrow. Okay guys, so I'm making up some butter chicken for dinner. I've got this butter chicken from Oz Organics. I've got a whole bunch of chicken. I'm only going to use half of this. And then I'm going to put it with some steamed rice, cauliflower. And that will be my dinner and some lunches, and then I'll freeze them. So really quick and easy. Okay, so I've actually decided to add the cauliflower rice in with the chicken while it's simmering and cooking itself. So it's going to be nice and tender. And I've also got some cauliflower in steaming because I'm going to make this into puree. So yeah, it's got that on. Just having a few things in the freezer or fridge just makes the work week just a little bit easier. Also, here are my 3 pork ribs that I put into the buffalo sauce slow cooker this morning. They're not too bad. Like, I thought they'd be really mushy, but it's pulling away from the fatty bit here. But yeah, this bit here is not too bad, so I might try this a little bit later for dinner. Hi guys, so I have a little bit of time this morning. It is Saturday morning. We're about to go to my son's 7th birthday party, and I thought I'd just have like 10 minutes spare, so I might quickly make up my taco meat. So all I use for the taco meat is beef mince, put in some bacon and some onion, and then I've just got the taco spice mix, which you just add water. So that's really quick and easy, and I should be able to get that done in 10 minutes. So that's something that I can throw in the freezer so that I have it for lunch or dinner during the week. So I'm going to go and do that. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. I've made my taco meat. I have done a little bit of cleanup in the kitchen. I've just emptied and put some more dishes in the dishwasher, and I also put on a load of washing. So 10 minutes, you can get anything done. So there's one more meal done and dusted. Okay, so I've got some of that chicken, the other half of that chicken I've got here, it's all diced up, so that's about 500 grams there. And then I've got this green curry paste, so we're going to make some Thai green curry. And I've got coconut milk. It does ask for coconut cream. Like, I'm just using this, just using the recipe on the back here, which says 1/3 cup of curry paste, 500 grams of chicken, and 120 of the coconut cream and some water. But I am just going to use the coconut milk, and maybe I'll put some other cream in there if we need it, but I'll see how we go. Maybe I won't need to use as much water. But yeah, so there's the 1/3 cup of curry paste. I'm just waiting for my pan to get nice and hot, and then I'm just going to stir fry it very quickly. So stir fry quickly with the chicken and the curry paste, and then we're going to add the cream and water, and I'm just going to let that simmer in the pan. Okay, so my Thai chicken curry, I added broccoli and a bag of broccoli and cauliflower to it just to get some veggies into it. So now this has been simmering for about 10 minutes. I'm just going to put them into some containers, and there is another meal. Okay guys, while I'm here at the stove, I'm actually going to make some spaghetti meat. So all I've got, I'll show you what I got. So in my pan I've got 1 onion and about 150 to 200 grams of bacon, and I've just got this cooking. To that, I'm going to add some tomato paste. I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I'm going to add some Italian herbs. And then after that's cooked for a little bit, I'm going to put in a can of cherry tomatoes. And then I'm going to add my mince. And then I'm going to just let it simmer and get all juicy. And that will be my spaghetti meat. I'm just going to stock cube and a little bit of water. I just wanted to get a little bit more flavour into it, so I'm just adding that. And I also added the yeast to see if I can get a little bit more flavour in it as well. And I'm just going to let this simmer for a little bit longer, and then it will be ready to go. Okay guys, so here I've got my meat sauce cooking away and getting delicious. I've also got my green Thai chicken here. I got a few there, and then also in the freezer, what do we got in here? So in the freezer I've got the taco meat, so I got a few of them. That was also taco meat. So those are a few things that we do just to get ahead so that I can stay on keto. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. I hope it gave you some ideas of how you can get ahead for the rest of the week. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the comments. Bye.